Nomfundisi wami baba ngiyamthanda lo. Uzoza abantu yazishwayela Pastor Ernest. Pastor Ernest bekakhuluma ngebehavior. You reminded me mama. There was a certain look nakakubheka yona nakakwatile bekumfundisi wami. Believe me, those who surrounded him besuka ngathi maphepha siyazi ukuthi manje what we have done where we must mend it. That's why noma ngithola uma ngekarera kathi Jabbar, even today ngiyamsaba. Pastor Ernest, I still give him that respect even today. I'm for him because Begatina says something. Pratemba will tell you. I remember when we were late, we will go every overline. I think plus minus 7 years from here. Say overline is on 20. When we see that we late, Ben Genus, I'm a pulse on, they're very open. Best Genus on 20, I'll be sweating. You type and go type by then. By Papa saw, you will stand at the door, something and will look at us. That's Kichima saw. Guess what? We will show him the remorse. We will show him how we regret. And that's why I remember the first time when he gave me a chance to preach. I'll never forget that it was on a Wednesday. When he said to me, come here. What only pulpit what I wanted to preach. He's Sunday corner. You were so tired Sunday corner. I preach about the seals. I've never touched the seals. When I preach about the seals, I cried my first message at church. It's not that I cried tears. I went to the toilet. What I've seen, I cried tears I've never came across. And Pastor Ernest said, as from today, you are a minister. But watch what did I go through. Watch what that man did unto us. He molded us. It was tough. He molded us and he loved us. He made the man out of me. Besitnas wrong nagas rebuke as bize. Nyachela begatnas faga in line. That is why. Amen. Amen. Are you still with me? Amen. Yeah. Okay. Another one says, God sometimes shout in what? As I've said, yeah. Oh, I said pain is temporary, but quitting, what does it do? It lasts forever. So, do you want a temporary pain or do you want to quit forever? Temporary pain. So, which means stand your ground and don't what? Don't quit. And tomorrow you look back and you would say, thank you. Amen. It might be 10 years, maybe 15 years, maybe 20 years. Some of you will come back and will say, I never understood that. But now, I do. Because some things needs maturity to grow into it. Now, I do. And guess what? Let's just cut in time on a crash or on a scholar or you've got your own house. Now you start to experience what I was experiencing. Now I understand. Amen. Amen. Amen.